Welcome to Desert Estates, where modern luxury meets perfect location. From the moment you stepped into this home, everything has been completely renovated, from the flooring to the stairway to freshly new paint. Whether you're the chef in the family or someone else in your family cooks, enjoy cooking in this fully equipped kitchen. You also have your TV room and a formal living room. So whether you want to spend your time in this TV cozy room or your formal living room, you have options. This home sits on a corner lot, so enjoy the perks of being in a corner lot. Means you have a decent sized yard, you have yard on that side, you have yard on this side, and you also have an extra piece of land on that side. So this is a beautiful yard for you and your family to enjoy. You guys, we're now on my favorite part of the house, the primary bedroom. It's your own mini retreat. Come with me.